when you made the first post?
Yes.
We are live on Facebook now.
Yes.
Good evening, friends. As committed, we are here live at 5 p.m. I do remember on 29th, normally when you go through your Facebook wall, I saw one post, Skill Master launching soon. And that's where I had this query, what is it all about? So here today, I would like to ask and know the entire detail of this, because it is something which is very must, I must say, for the training fraternity. So Mr. Hariharan Iyer and Mr. Dilip Sharma, welcome to you on this small talk show.
Thank you.
Right?
Thank you so much, Devakar. And it is inquisitive people like you that we look for.
Yeah, because so I thought कि this knowledge cafe, let's have a cup of tea and discuss like कहाँ क्या खिचड़ी पक रहा है ना? Because I saw that post and I got quite inquisitive कि है क्या ये coming soon, and you know I'm bit low in patience. कुछ जानना है तो फिर मुझे ज़्यादा लेट करना मेरे लिए खुद का मतलब अपने आप में आपा खो जाता है. तो अब आप लोगों आज इकट्ठा हो ही गए हो, और चूंकि वॉल पोस्ट आप ही लोगों का था तो मैंने सोचा चलो आप लोगों से जरा ये सवाल जाने, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं what I could see skill master, it is either related to students or training fraternity.
Absolutely.
So you guys being a creator of it, I would like to know what is this all about? What
So,
skill are you talking about?
yeah. So first of all, Divakar, it's such a delight that you agreed to host this show for us.
My pleasure.
Yeah, and we have learned so much about community building from you. You have built a community of 15,000 trainers across the country.
It's all the power of people.
Yeah, so now I know where you're coming. Now I know why Dilip is your friend, because he keeps talking about the same thing. It's all about people.
Quite inspired from his book. It's all about people, because
Yeah.
anything and everything you do matters to you and your people.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, Skill Masters essentially is an initiative taken by Hariharan School of Success Education, HSSC, as it is now popularly referred to as,
Yeah.
which is basically to give the opportunity to the training fraternity to 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 test themselves, to test their skills.
Okay.
I would say that rather than treating it as a test, they should treat it like an opportunity for themselves to grow. So it's a championship we are launching. It's
Wow.
a championship. So we often have seen speaking championships. There are various forums which conduct various kinds of speaking championships. We thought, let's come up with a training championship, because that's what we are, isn't it? We are trainers. We love training people. We love to develop the skills of people. And that's what Skill Master is all about, because training is all about skilling. Training is all about transfer of knowledge, attitude, skills, and habits, cash. So we thought, let's come up with a contest, a very interesting contest called as the Skill Masters HSSC Training Championship, where the winner will be crowned as, of course, now it's all virtual, so we cannot go and actually crown that person, but the winner will be crowned as the facilitation champ.
Oh, wow.
So they will be called, they can call themselves as a facilitation champ. And here's an opportunity to become the first facilitation champ, in the training industry. So that's the concept. We bring people together. Trainers will compete, and they will all try to show how I am a great trainer, great facilitator, and they will try to impress the jury on why I should be selected to be the facilitation champ. So not going to be easy. It's going to be very competitive.
So as we see today, the time is tough. So again, this is again something which is just like in this toughness, you test your toughness also.
Yes,
So,
absolutely.
Here I heard you repeating several times, trainers, trainers, trainers. So do you feel that skill is only limited to trainers, or other people can also come into it?
Whoever,
Educators, professors, lecturers.
anybody who is remotely connected with training can be a part of this.
Means learning people connected to learning and development, those who can facilitate.
Yes.
Doesn't matter whether they are designated as a trainer or not, because
Not necessary.
I have myself learned from so many salespeople, they deliver more better sometimes,
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
we get inspired from them. So here what I say is anybody who has something fantastic to present should
Right.
be crowned. So they should be here.
Absolutely. So
Right.
anybody who wants to be a trainer can also be a part of the championship.
So any limitations कि यहाँ के लोग होंगे वहां के नहीं होंगे ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
हाँ, एक लिमिटेशन है कि
Right.
भारतवर्ष के लोग होंगे।
Okay. So Indian only. So that's great. That's what I thought should be very clear ना, क्योंकि Facebook का फेस बहुत बड़ा है ना?
Absolutely.
उसमें आप जो डालते हैं वो कहीं भी बुक हो सकता है, तो मैंने कहा कंफर्म कर लूं कि ये हमारे हिंदुस्तान के कैटेगरी में ही है या बाहर के लोग हैं. ओके.
And also it will be in English. All the sessions will have to be delivered in English. So they may want to use a flavor of their regional language here and there if they want. But of course, we will share all these intricacies in the orientation that we will do on the 1st of June. But it's basically going to be an English language competition on for the facilitation champ.
Okay. So right now I heard what you said. Dilip sir, did I hear right? Hari said 1st June probably.
True. So
Will
the
we-
orientation is planned for 1st June and the registrations would have to end before that. So 25th May is the cutoff date for the registrations.
So the
Now,
people,
let's
so the
understand
people,
that-
those who have seen this, they will inquire, register, and then the final orientation will be done on 1st June, right?
Absolutely.
Yes.
So
Yes.
when will they start then?
There is a little urgency on this. They would need to be shown by people because anything good, anything qualitative cannot be mass.
True.
It has to be within a specific limitation. So what we have done is we have planned it to limit it to 40 entrants only. So
Okay.
there would be 40 entrants only allowed. So the first 40 would get the opportunity. And of course, we are also talking to corporates. So and any corporates who are now, training heads, etc., who are listening to this program, this goes out to you as well. That if you have trainers who you feel are great and who need that, that how does a trainer get that adrenaline and pumped up when he is recognized and when he's recognized amongst equals.
Right.
So when I go and do a training to my sales people or to the people in my organization, I always get a great, review. But the point is when I'm tested amongst equals, and you would relate to this, Divakar, since, when we used to do this TTC camps, it is where the trainers used to get to know that there are more, मतलब मैं एक फिश बाउल की मछली हूँ, मैं समझता हूँ कि मैं बहुत बड़ा हूँ, या मैं एक फिश टैंक की मछली हूँ तो मैं अपने आप को बहुत बड़ा समझने लगता हूँ. जब समुद्र में डाला जाता है तो मैं कहीं का नहीं दिखता हूँ. So how do I know the potential that exists until and unless I test it accordingly and I pit myself against those people? और वो जो एक self gratification होता है of doing well and coming out of that is something extreme, and I've experienced that. And therefore, we thought in these difficult times, when organizations are, of course, leveraging the training fraternity and the trainers amongst them overly, I would say at times, जैसे कि पैंडेमिक में आप देखो हेल्थ वर्कर्स और फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स का एक ओवर यूज हो रहा है, एंड दे आर आल्सो नॉट गेटिंग दैट ड्यू. गालियां भी उन्हीं को पड़ रही है.
True.
Right? Somewhere it is a similar situation for trainers in the organization, because when going gets tough and things have to change, the change management, the drivers of change management are the trainers, because they are the link between the management and the people. Now, these people, while they are giving in their best, where is the recognition for them? Or if you feel that they can learn and know more, so where is the platform for them?
Okay.
So what we see this particular skill masters that we have envisaged, what we have designed as an opportunity where these trainers can come onto the platform, know their equals, know how they can be better amongst the equals. If not win and be the best amongst them, at least, okay. And I might be considering that I am the best trainer on this earth. Jungle mein more nacha kisne dekha?
True.
I need to do it in the right platform, right?
Very true. Very true.
So that was the thought behind creating this platform.
Okay. Let me play a small quiz with both of you. अगर
Sure.
आपके सामने सिर्फ एक छोटा सा 2 शब्द आए, what if, तो आपके दिमाग में क्या आएगा कि क्या पूछा जाने वाला?
So what
Does it-
if
What
I
if
do not progress beyond the primary step?
anything could be there? So
Could be
let
one
me,
of the questions,
है
right?
ना?
So there are many what ifs.
Yeah.
But my point here is, instead of what if,
No, I'm giving you a positive what if, because right now what I heard from both of you is the total seat is 40,
yeah,
right? You are inviting corporates as well, right?
right,
So I got these two very right.
absolutely right.
Now let me give you one adverse right, है ना, which you'll feel like wrong. Now what if one corporate itself nominates 40 people?
Brilliant. So that will be a standalone separate championship that we will hold for them in house.
Yeah.
क्योंकि वो इन हाउस दंगल हो जाएगा, फिर जंगल का दंगल कब होगा?
हाँ. So if they want a Jungle Ka Dangal, then we will break it up into 4 different championships. So this is not going to be a one-off thing.
Okay.
This is going to be something that is done on a regular basis, because there are n number of trainers here. There are enough number of people who want to pit themselves or showcase their talent. But the point is, if I have a mass presentation, if I have too many people within that competition, again it is lost.
Yeah.
The purpose is lost. Therefore, what we have done currently is we have only decided upon 40, and also it is only going to be soft skills.
Absolutely.
Okay. Soft skills is the key focus area.
Yes.
Absolutely. Only soft skill programs.
So should I consider behavioral also into it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes, of course.
Right. So soft skills and
And
behavioral.
Yes.
Okay. So now this is again a good why, because when you get people from different area, because see, in several forums where I have interacted, I see when talent come from different area whom probably you don't even have heard for the first time. I'll just give you one small confession. There was one topic which I used to deliver for so many times. And in one forum, when a young guy of hardly 28, right, जो मुझसे उम्र में शायद 12-14 साल छोटा होगा, जब वो डिलीवर कर रहा था, तो I had a hat in my mind. कहते हैं ना वो हम एक क्लाउन बन जाते हैं खुद में अपने आप में. I thought कि let me go out, कुछ और कर लेता हूँ, because ये तो सब मुझे पता है. But due to some reason I had to sit. I don't know how it happened. शायद उस दिन कहते हैं ना ज्ञान चक्षु खुलना था. And when he started delivering, I could find out कि whatever he touched, I had never even thought in my entire life, because वो उस चश्मे से और उस आईने से मैंने देखा ही नहीं था. तो कहना मेरे दृष्टि में जो मैं अपने आप को था उस दिन का कौन बदल गया, और फिर एक नई दृष्टिकोण मिली कि भाई सुनो सबसे, you never know who can give you what. So here what I see is a fantastic opportunity for people. Once they are participating, if I have to be one of the participants, I see that there are a lot of talents, those who will be coming.
Absolutely.
So do I have how will this format be? अब देखो यहाँ पे मेरा बड़ा ग्रीड है कि हारते हारते भी कुछ जीत के जाऊं. अगर मैं फॉर एग्जांपल उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करता हूं, तो ये ग्रुप में होगा, 1-to-1 होगा, हाउ एक्चुअली इट विल बी, व्हाट विल बी द मोड ऑफ ऑपरेशंस? फिजिकल तो होने से रहा.
Yeah, Dilip.
Would you like me to brief it, Hari?
Yeah, please.
So the format is kept very simple. And yes, what you've mentioned, absolutely right, कि हारते हुए भी मैं कुछ पाऊं.
कुछ तो जीत लिया. हाँ.
इसमें हर किसी को कुछ ना कुछ प्राप्त होना ही है.
Great.
If not anything, these 40 people will be broken up into groups of 10 each.
Okay.
तो आपने कहा कि कॉर्पोरेट्स, अगर एक ही कॉर्पोरेट से 40 आ गए, मैं उसका एक अलग पक्ष रखता हूं कि कई कॉर्पोरेट्स मिलके 40 आए,
वो ज्यादा बेहतर होगा.
4 भागों में बांट देंगे, जहां पे वो एक दूसरे के साथ दंगल ना करे, और जैसे आपने कहा कि जंगल में दंगल करे.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि अगर अपने आप को पावरफुल करना है तो एक ऐसे इन्वायरमेंट में आप जाके compete कीजिए जो आपने कभी पहले नहीं देखा है.
स्प्रेड होना चाहिए, एक स्पेक्ट्रम होना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
So that is the idea behind it. So
Right.
what we would do is we would divide them into those 4 groups, inorganic groups, not organic. They would be
So-
inorganic groups.
So what
और
I can
इस-
see is a training IPL, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So उसमें foreign players भी होंगे, Indian players भी होंगे.
Right.
So we would have a healthy mix in this way. Now, these 4 groups would be given, dates on which they would present. So each group would present on one date. So do they present in groups? No. These are going to be individual presentations, but on one day. So 10 would present on day 1, 10 on day 2, 10 on day 3, and 10 on day 4. So
all
earlier we
40.
thought, okay, out of each of the batches, we'll pick up 4 winners. Then we decided against it. If every talent has to be given equal weightage,
Right.
then we need to get the best out of the 40 rather than best out of 10 each. So we
True.
decided that once the 40 presentations are over, we would pick 16 who would progress to the semi-final round.
The top 16.
Okay, so out of 40, the group of 10. But again यहाँ पे एक बात आती है कि अगर मेरा इंडिविजुअल प्रेजेंटेशन होना है तो मैं हारा या मैं जीता, फिर वही हुआ कि जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा?
जी नहीं, आपको 9 लोगों ने तो देखा कम से कम.
Okay, so it means कि when the first let me take it as a zone. 4, चूंकि आप बोल रहे तो जोन का एग्जांपल हमेशा होता है. वी हैव वर्कड इन कॉर्पोरेट, तो ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ समझ में ज्यादा इजीली आता है. 4 टुकड़े में ऐसे ही कर लेते हैं. तो पहले 10 सेगमेंट में जो लोग थे उसमें से कुछ लोग क्वालिफाई कर गए 4, एंड दे आर बुक. जैसे आईपीएल में हम देखते हैं,
जरूरी नहीं है, हो सकता है,
जरूर ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि चौथे राउंड के 10 क्वालिफाई कर जाए.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि किसी एक में से 2 ही निकले.
ओके,
तो ये संभावना हमने साफ रखी है कि 40 में से जो बेस्ट 16 होंगे वो ऊपर जाएंगे, ना कि 10 में से बेस्ट 4 करें. क्योंकि ऐसा हो सकता है कि अगले 10 में जो बेस्ट 4 हैं उनसे बेहतर जो 6 छूट गए थे पिछले 10 में,
राइट,
हो सकते हैं. तो ये ना हो.
मैं भी उसी पे आने वाला था, क्योंकि हो सकता है ऐसे में तो बाय डिफॉल्ट. हाँ, नहीं, क्योंकि हमने देखा है कि कई बार गलती से ऐसी टीम जीत के सेमीफाइनल में पहुंच गई जिसको कोई एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं कर रहा था.
नहीं, ये दर्द हम समझते हैं और ऐसा दर्द हम देना नहीं चाहते.
और क्योंकि फिर लोग पता लगा कि लोग फाइनल देखने नहीं जा रहे, और हो सकता है टर्न अराउंड रिजल्ट हो जाए, बट फिर वो एक होता है ना कि फोकस आउट फोकस होता है, बिकॉज पीपल डू मैक्सिमम व्हाट दे बिलीव इन. सो एवरी 10 people are performing. The people, those who exceed the parameter, जो bare minimum एक आप लोगों ने रखा होगा नॉन नेगोशिएबल से जो ऊपर जाएंगे, they will be the top 16. Am I right?
Absolutely. So we would have parameters basis which they would be judged, and there would be 5 different people judging. So an average of all the 5 scores would be taken, and the first 16 of the average scores are the ones who will move forward. क्योंकि आपका जो देखने का नजरिया अलग हो सकता है, मेरा अलग और हरि का अलग हो सकता है.
राइट,
ठीक है. तो एक नजरिए से जाना भी सही नहीं है. हाँ, there will be a foundation basis which it would be done, in the sense there would be a format to it, there would be parameters that would be looked at. But जैसे मैंने हिंदी का एक शेर कहा और वो आपको शायद ज्यादा समझ में आया और दूसरे जूरी को कम समझ में आया.
मे बी
जो वहां पे 1 नंबर अधिक दे सकते हैं.
राइट राइट.
अगर वो कनेक्ट आप बना लेते हैं, दूसरा नहीं उतना जल्दी बना पाता है, तो हो सकता है 1 नंबर कम दे. बट अगर 5 अलग अलग लोगों का एक व्यक्तिगत राय लेकर के उसका एक एवरेज निकालेंगे, when we take the average of 5 individual decisions, we would be at a better position to arrive at the best 16.
Okay, so
and see, the 10 who come into the group will get to see the other 9 present.
Absolutely.
Okay,
and each would be present. So अगर सेम टॉपिक पे भी प्रेजेंट किया हो किसी और ने, तो भी उसका, जैसे आपने अभी बताया, कि एक अलग नजरिया मिल सकता है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
और अगर अलग अलग टॉपिक है तो 9 अलग टॉपिक के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा. तो जो भी इसमें भाग लेगा, whoever participates will definitely take home some knowledge.
So I here see the best takeaway. First is listening 9 different talents. Absolutely. And that too in a very close environment group where each and every people are being assessed. Now here again there is a tough challenge what you guys have done. आप भगवान को टेस्ट कर रहे हो, है ना, क्योंकि ट्रेनिंग कम्युनिटी में हम लोग खुद को तो ये मानते हैं कि जो हमने कह दिया वो ब्रह्म वाक्य है ना. तो ऐसे ब्रह्माओं को एक जगह आप इकट्ठा करके जब आप करेंगे तो ऑफ कोर्स देन यू माइट हैव really worked very hard on the parameters, because
yes we have.
Yes,
because there is, मैं इशारा भी इनफैक्ट वही करना चाह रहा था कि फिर यहाँ पे बड़ा एक decent parameter बनाना होगा. So that is what I guess you will be covering in the orientation part.
Yes, in the orientation we will cover the parameters, and I think the other important thing for trainers to understand is This
Right,
is an opportunity to get peer respect.
right.
You know,
So,
and I have experienced in my own career as a trainer that I get the maximum delight when somebody from my fraternity calls me and say, Hari, you're such a good trainer.
right,
If participants like your program, they'll always say good things about you.
right.
And even if they don't like it, they'll still be polite enough to say good things about you. But if your fraternity praises you, who
Yes.
are apparently your competitors,
Yeah.
I don't believe they are, but I'm just saying. So if your fraternity praises you,
Yes.
you know, so that means you have attained the respect of your peers. And I think I somewhere value that a lot.
Yes. Because
Apart from,
competing with champions ना itself gives you a
absolutely,
different spirit. कि मैं
absolutely,
खेला किसके साथ, मैं हारा भी तो किससे हारा,
बिल्कुल,
वो भी एक पता होना चाहिए ना. Because we have seen that sometime in sports, we have seen that sportsman spirit.
yes. So AB
Yes.
de Villiers is always a great admirer of Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is an admirer of AB de Villiers. They play
I was
in one
wondering that yet not you have not arrived in cricket. How come it is? That's why I thrown this.
And still someday Pollard performs better than both of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So I think,
that's the
and
beauty.
this is an opportunity where the rookies, like in
Yes.
the IPL, you see, or even in overall Indian cricket team now, the seniors are injured. They go out, and the newcomers come and play as if, you know, they were playing. I mean, they were born to play this. So
True.
there is tremendous talent out there, even in the training community. So we should not underestimate anyone. And I think we are doing it from a purely selfish purpose. We get to listen to 40, 56, 60 sessions.
True. True.
Just imagine how much we are going to learn in the process.
मतलब 40 different talents and that to na 3 leverage scale.
Yeah, absolutely.
मतलब वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन होता है, सचमुच ये बहुत मजा आता है. बट यहाँ पे मैं एक चीज जानना चाहूंगा. चलो ये तो मुझे समझ में आ गया कि I am a participant. I participated in one of my group was 10 people. Maybe if we were good, 4 will go. Otherwise, and total 16 will come up. Who from which group, how much, that is not defined. But from any group, maximum it can come is 10.
Right.
Absolutely. Because
तो
there are
उससे ज्यादा उस ग्रुप में लोग हैं नहीं. क्योंकि हो सकता है, ऐसा हो सकता है कि ABCD में से कोई एक ग्रुप था जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा एक्सेप्शनली बेस्ट सारे जूरीज को लगे.
absolutely.
Okay, so since the parameter of judgment is the sharpen of the stick, so I'm not going to ask you that because that will be wrong. Because वही इसका पूरा आइसिंग ऑन द केक है जो सारा कुछ अट्रैक्ट करेगा और बहुत कुछ लर्निंग ड्राइव करेगा. बट हियर चलो, one person who participated on the first round itself, if he was out, right, because he could not compete, मान लेते हैं एग्जांपल, क्योंकि जब 40 खेल रहे हैं तो जाहिर सी बात है जाना तो ऊपर 16 नहीं है, तो द बेस्ट मैन विल विन. who is that, nobody knows.
Absolutely.
Okay, ठीक है. तो अब सवाल ये उठता है कि what is the participation? If I didn't ask that, my bad. क्योंकि of
So
course,
let me put it the other way. Suppose you were to attend a seminar of where 10 speakers are there.
right,
And so what would be the kind of investment you would have to make
see,
to
it's
listen to some really good speakers, really good trainers?
right.
And so you're attending a 1-day seminar or a 2-day seminar with 10 high quality speakers or trainers. So how much would typically be an investment?
Again, if you call about today, the dynamics have completely changed. But yes,
Right.
having said that, even if I'm going for a quality, where I say
Yeah.
I know it and I'm going for it,
Right.
my investment could go up to 5,000 rupees at least.
Absolutely.
बहुत कम में भी अगर मैं करूं mass program, because I have seen some good people doing, like for example, program of Ashish also. I saw Ashish Vidati doing it. Some other people also, right?
Right.
So it was in different price zone. तो अगर मैं सबको club कर दूं all good speakers, so it may fall into that category. Although it is
Absolutely.
too less because there are certain
Yes.
social activity they are doing, so they are not actually charging what they should.
Absolutely.
चलो,
Even,
just
even
to
if
keep-
it is a virtual
Yeah,
seminar,
yeah,
and this whole championship is going to be virtual.
right.
It's a completely virtual championship.
Right.
We are only asking them to pay a registration fee of 2,100. That's it.
Okay, 2100 रुपए. Okay.
2100 रुपया. और आपको मिलेंगे, आप एलिमिनेट भी हो जाते हैं पहले राउंड के बाद, तभी भी 2-3 बातें अच्छी हो जाती है आपके लिए. एक तो आप और 9 लोगों को सुन पाते हैं. You can have some networking.
Yeah.
And you can always call us up and take some feedback in terms of where I can improve. What did I do good? So that support we will give them. If they wish to have that conversation with us, we will have that, we will give them that support. And you never know, when you come into this kind of a public forum, when you're competing with some amazing people around you, it can open up a lot of your horizons for yourself. It might open up different kinds of opportunities. You never know. We are creating a platform.
So this is one of the wonderful thing you have done. क्योंकि मैंने देखा है कि अक्सर हारे दोबारा कभी जीत नहीं पाते, क्योंकि वो अपनी हार को ना सचमुच हार की तरह पहन लेते हैं, क्योंकि उनको वो गट्स नहीं होता ये जानने के लिए कि कहाँ मैं गलत था, क्योंकि it really takes a guts to know. But yes, some people often do that. I have seen so many of my fellow colleagues कि they give and ask feedback so that they know कि मैं कहाँ था. And yes, उसमें एक होता है कि मुझे sugar coated चाहिए तो मैं उससे पूछूंगा जो मुझे पता है कि 1-to-1 पूछूंगा.
और मैं दिलीप से बात कह भी रहा था कि बहुत जिगर चाहिए एक कॉन्टेस्ट में उतरने के लिए.
यस, दो तो यहाँ पे दो जिगर हैं कि अगर मैं कॉन्टेस्ट में उतरा तो पहले मैंने अपने आप को टोन डाउन किया है, नंबर 1, एंड लर्निंग माइंडसेट डेवलप की, व्हिच इज वेरी मस्ट फॉर एनी ऑफ द एजुकेटर्स अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड.
एब्सोल्युटली.
दूसरी बात कि अगर मैं हारा तो उस कारण को अगर मैं जान लूं तो मेरी 2 जीत तो यही हो गई साहब, बाकी तो जो भी आप दे रहे हो वो मेरे ख्याल से बोनस है. दैट इज वंडरफुल. मतलब ये मुझे अच्छा लगा.
और आप जैसे कह रहे थे सब भगवान है, हम सब अपने आप को भगवान समझते हैं, तो सोचो सब भगवान मिलके कंपटीशन करेंगे तो क्या होगा, मतलब
नहीं, मतलब
क्या होगा, मतलब तो
देवलोक का दंगल है. तो यहाँ पे छोटा सा चीज जानना चाहूंगा कि somebody who wants to know, like I competed with 10 people, 9 people in fact including me, but I couldn't make it. So what is the mechanism of that? मतलब it is in a group or 1-to-1, written communication or counseling, what is that?
तो मैं वही बात बता रहा था कि जैसे हरि ने ऑलरेडी बताया कि we will have a separate discussion with them. वो हमसे जान सकते हैं. कुछ भी सबके सामने नहीं किया जाएगा.
ओके.
ये जाहिर उनको अलग से अगर वो चाहेंगे जानना तो हम उनके साथ बात करते हुए करेंगे. और इसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि उन्होंने क्या गलत किया, इसमें उनको ये जानने की ज्यादा जरूरत रहेगी और यही हम बताएंगे भी, क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा कि सब भगवान है, तो किस भगवान के पास क्या ऐसी अनोखी शक्ति थी जिसकी वजह से वो आगे बढ़ गए.
राइट.
आपको उदाहरण में वही बताता हूँ कि जो शिव पार्वती जी ने मतलब जो ब्रह्मांड के 3 चक्कर लगा के पहले आ जाएगा उसको हम गणाध्यक्ष घोषित करेंगे, तो उसमें सबने भाग लिया. ऐसा तो नहीं कि कोई किसी में कोई कमी थी, वो सबने साथ एक दूसरे का निभाया. उसके बावजूद गणेश जी बन गए. उसका कारण क्या था? जब तक वो हुआ नहीं तब तक लोगों को पता नहीं था कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है. So that you never know, something great can come out. ये एक मंथन है और इस मंथन से बहुत सारी चीजें निकलेंगी. और जब हम मंथन कहते हैं तो बहुत ही जिम्मेदारी के साथ इस शब्द का इस्तेमाल करता हूं मैं, क्योंकि मंथन में कई बार विष भी निकलता है.
राइट.
तो विष पान का भी एक जो है व्यवस्था होनी चाहिए. तो इसमें हमने वही किया है कि हम सार्वजनिक रूप से सबके सामने कुछ भी इस तरह का नहीं बताएंगे. उन्हें ये बताया जाएगा कि किन पैरामीटर्स पे, ऑन व्हाट पैरामीटर्स दे वुड बी जज्ड.
एब्सोल्युटली.
And as they are all knowledgeable people, they would know for sure once they have competed कि कौन बेहतर था, या if they still want to know what is it that was better in those who got selected, they can always talk to us and we can tell them.
Okay, so there is a specific 1-to-1, I say, learning session where I can know like where was that I could not put the pedal on completely, right?
Absolutely.
ओके. 16 लोग आ गए. अब 16 लोगों में से अगेन फिर वो कंपटीशन अब तो सामना एग्जैक्टली होगा.
ये भी 2 राउंड में होगा.
राइट. ओके.
8-8 के.
ओके.
और इनमें से द बेस्ट 4 विल मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द फाइनल्स.
ओके.
ठीक है. और एक पते की बात मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि आपको अपना हुनर दिखाने का सिर्फ 20 मिनट का मौका मिलेगा.
ओके. मैं आने वाला था इसके ऊपर कि आप कितना
अपना कार्यक्रम शुरू से अंत तक, मतलब 20 मिनट में आपको अपना पूरा खेल दिखाना है.
ओके.
देखिए हमने हरिहरन HSSC से हम लोग कुछ कार्यक्रम भी करते हैं जिसमें हम जब फ्लोर टेस्ट करते हैं 5 से 7 मिनट का समय देते हैं
नहीं,
कंप्लीट।
because I thought कि ये 20 मिनट वाला आइडिया, because I know Hari is a quite cricket lover, तो इसने 20-20 के चक्कर में 20 मिनट तो नहीं रख दिया था।
बिल्कुल आईपीएल का जमाना है, आईपीएल का समय है, तो
20
और
overs,
इसके आगे
20
वर्ल्ड
minutes.
T20 भी होना है।
You know, in professional public speaking, we share that, you know, you speak 120 words a minute.
Right.
So even in a 2-minute speech, you are speaking 240 words. और
True.
ट्रेनर को तो बोलने की, मतलब बोलो करके बोलने की जरूरत है नहीं, ट्रेनर तो
Right.
बोलता ही है, इसलिए तो हम ट्रेनर बने. But
They
here,
like to express
yes,
actually.
they like to
This
express
community is,
themselves,
they like
right?
to express.
So
Yes.
it's not about just talking for 20 minutes, of course, it's about facilitating. It's how much you talk, how much you listen, what else do you do. That's what this whole championship is all about. So in our floor test for the entertainer certification, we give only 7 minutes.
Okay.
In that 7 minutes, they have to conduct a complete workshop. And here we are still ready to give 20 minutes. So
Again, it's very
they
tough.
can do magic.
Because when you have to speak less and make impact, it's really very tough.
Yes.
है ना?
So you have to, you can create magic in 20 minutes. Absolutely.
क्योंकि
अगर हम लिटरेचर की बात करें, गद्य और पद्य की बात करें,
पद्य और पद्य बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं.
if we talk about the entire literature, complete essay as compared to a couplet, एक दोहे में उतना दम होता है कि उसके ऊपर आप 10 ऐसे लिख सकते हैं.
Right.
So, बट क्या वो जो जनक है उस चीज का, उसमें उतना दम है, तो चैंपियन तो वही होगा ना.
Okay, now here comes one specific question. Now, when we are talking about behavioral and soft skills, here there could be a situation where one person is certified for X, Y, Z training module, right? So called, क्योंकि हमारे ट्रेनिंग कम्युनिटी में वो डिग्री की भी एक बड़ी कमाल की वैल्यू है ना? किसी के पास किलो में है, किसी के पास कम है, किसी के पास व्यवहारिकता में बहुत ज्यादा है, तो ऐसा भी हमने देखा है, राइट? तो अगर मान लेते एक बड़ा ही सर्टिफाइड रिफाइंड पर्सन आ जाता है फॉर अ सेम टॉपिक, एंड अ वन हु इज प्रोबेबली अ बिगनर बट ही हैज अ कन्विक्शन एंड हिज ओन अंडरस्टैंडिंग फॉर द सेम टॉपिक, देन व्हाट विल यू डू एज अ मैनेजमेंट?
So, let me share with you something, Divakar, here.
मैं कहीं कुछ ज्यादा टेढ़ा तो नहीं हो रहा हूँ, क्योंकि
नहीं बिल्कुल.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ कहीं हमने कोई गलती तो नहीं कर दिया.
So there was a program where we had a person who had done 25 TTTs before he had come to our program.
Okay, great. Yeah, true.
And he was the most active participant. And at the end of the program, his feedback was, in those 25 programs, he did not get what he got in this program. यानी कि जो व्यक्ति 20 साल से ट्रेनिंग फील्ड में काम कर रहा है और उसने 25 सर्टिफिकेशंस भी किए, जिसमें कुछ इंटरनेशनल सर्टिफिकेशंस भी थे, और उसके बावजूद उसको हमारे सर्टिफिकेशन में वो वैल्यू दिखी. सो द वैल्यू लाइज इन द परसेप्शन ऑफ द थिंग्स, एंड द बेस्ट ऑफ द प्लेयर्स कैन लर्न फ्रॉम द न्यूएस्ट.
I completely agree to this.
हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट इतने सालों बाद एक बंदे ने आके खेला.
Right.
रिवर्स स्वीप पे 6 लगाना पहले नहीं होता था. ठीक है, आजकल हो गया है. ये दूसरा कहां से आ गया?
नहीं, I'll completely agree to this.
Yeah.
I would not quote the organization name or somewhere. I do remember 3-4 years ago when we were having some kind of a TTT, a young guy जो शायद नया कॉलेज से भी just beat स्कूल से आया होगा. He was sitting next to us, so he was taking notes. I could not understand कि क्या कर रहा है, because जो उसकी सिंसियरिटी देख के मुझे लगा कि कुछ तो बहुत बेहतर कर रहा है. तो he said कि I'll make the content. तो मैंने मनी में सोचा कि ट्रेनिंग तो ये है नहीं, ये कंटेंट कहाँ से बनाएगा? And just after 6 months, when I saw one of his piece of his work, फिर मन में यही प्रश्न आया कि हमने इस दिशा में कभी सोचा क्यों नहीं? तो क्रिएटिविटी इज द हॉलमार्क ऑफ सक्सेस एंड द पीपल वेयर दे एस्टैब्लिश इट. जैसा अभी आप कह रहे थे कि एक क्रिकेट खिलाड़ी इंजोर हुआ और आपको मौका मिला, एंड दैट डे व्हाट यू डिड मेड योर लाइफ.
ये इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया का जो भी टेस्ट सीरीज समाप्त हुआ कुछ महीनों पहले, दैट्स अ ग्रेट एग्जांपल. All the big stars missing, they were injured or they left the team for whatever reason, despite the COVID situation, the bio bubbles, all the stress. These youngsters came and beat an Australian team far superior on paper in skills, in experience. And Australia had absolutely no answer. It was like a tsunami that hit them.
True.
You know, it's the young energy. And I would even go to the extent of saying a complete rookie who has never done any professional training in his life, you know, just wants to become a trainer and wants to enter this championship just to try it out, can be a winner. Can be a winner and be a shining example. And all the so-called experienced people like us can learn so much from this new approach, the energy, you know, and the perspective. And this and the new generation has some very exciting perspectives.
True.
They're very
When you-
exciting presentation styles. So why not?
Whenever you meet any
Sudhakar, your
other
question
human being,
takes me back 12 years.
yeah.
12 साल पहले की बात है.
Mhm.
मुझे ट्रेनिंग का टी नहीं पता था.
True.
But I was made a trainer by chance. Okay. And I was given a topic to present upon. I do not know how these training meetings happen and what is it that they check. किस पैरामीटर पे आपको कैसे देखा जाता है, इस सब का मुझे कोई ज्ञान नहीं था. I was a total rookie, as Hari mentioned. And when I went and presented there, and I came out of the presentation, I was told that मुझे जो बताया गया कि मैंने इतने सारे उनके मॉडल्स को मैंने सही साबित किया और उस हिसाब से मैंने ट्रेनिंग किया. मुझे एक भी मॉडल पता नहीं था.
Right.
I did not know adult learning principles then. I did not know any of this pedagogy. ठीक है, लेकिन मैंने जो मुझे सही लगा, as required to communicate what the topic demands in a manner in which it is put into practice. यही मेरा thought था और उस thought पे जो मैंने किया, it worked. So sometimes this excessive knowledge can actually be a hindrance.
Yes.
And probably a few of the trainers would go back with this learning that, you know, it is not always the models that work. It is how you model on those, your
Yeah.
program, which makes the magic.
And I think you got
to
to believe in yourself.
True.
And give it a shot. Not worry about winning or losing. Just come deliver your best. I just want to give an example. As you said, I love giving cricket examples. So Surya Kumar Yadav, who plays for Mumbai Indians, he made his T20 debut against England recently, international T20 debut. The first ball that he faced in international cricket in T20, he hit Jofra Archer for a 6-over square leg. First ball of Jofra Archer, who's one of the fastest bowlers in the world, one of the finest bowlers in the world. And he just came in and smashed him for a 6 of the very first ball. It was not even a straight hit. It was a pyrotechnic shot. You know, he swirled around and did something and went for a 6. It's astonishing the kind of talent that exists in the country today in all spheres of life. Cricket का मैं example इसलिए देता हूँ क्योंकि वो talent दिखता है, right? वो public domain में दिखता है, television है, internet है, but training में कोई कम talent नहीं है. And I really request all the organizations, please give your opportunity, give this opportunity to your trainers. I know in many organizations, trainers are hardly doing any training. They are doing more of coordination work, and I think that's it takes away their you know, उनका talent express नहीं हो पाता. Many of them are not really feeling great about it, but they go about it because you have to do your work anyway. So why not give them the opportunity to flower, to grow themselves, you know? And this is going to take a lot of preparation. So it's not that they just walk into the championship one day and say that आज मेरा ये session है, मैं 20 मिनट में कर दूंगा. 20 मिनट तो ऐसे खा लेगा, उसको कोई टाइम नहीं लगता है. ट्रेनर को रोकना पड़ता है कि बॉस टाइम हो गया और अब सेशन खत्म करो. So I think I really request organizations. Also, one point which I want to say about what will all these 40 people get that we have already spoken about in terms of.
I am now interested to know what will the final 4 people get.
Yes, I am coming to that. Divakar, let me finish this one point because that is connected to what the finalists will also get. Is these 40 people will also be invited for the convocation. So final चुपचाप हो जाता है और खत्म हो गया ऐसा नहीं है. अगला दिन हम convocation करेंगे और जितने participants हम सभी को बुलाएंगे और उन सभी को हम acknowledge करेंगे, हम सभी को participation certificate देंगे. and we will also we'll try and invite non-participants also to be a witness at that convocation. So right. And coming to what the finalists will get, yes, that's something very interesting. Now, what we have decided is there will be 4 winners, with one being crowned as the facilitation champ, but all 4 will be winners. So there is no number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. Yes, there is a number 1, but all the others will be called as runners up.
Okay.
We will not say this is 3rd runner up or 2nd runner up or 1st runner up. All of you are winners. You made it to the final. So you are a winner, but one person will become the facilitation champ. Yeah. So what do the 3 runners up get? They get a certificate, of course, the runner-up certificate of the championship, and they will get 5,000 rupees worth of e-learning courses, scholarship from HSS.
Okay.
Okay. All of them will be allocated courses which they can do through our e-learning platform. And
so it's a non-monetary reward. In fact, the biggest revenue is again the learning model.
It's absolutely the learning. Okay. And the winner, the facilitation champ, will get the certificate, of course, and 10,000 rupees worth of e-learning scholarship.
That's wonderful.
From HSSC. Now, there will be a lot of freelance trainers. They will also have an opportunity to work with us as associates, because HSSC works purely on an associate model. So they can work with us on projects, we can collaborate, we can do work together. So I think we're just trying to create a platform, and this initiative is to connect to more like-hearted people, as we call, not just like-minded, and get them onto one platform.
Now, here you said something very right. Like, for example, people, those who are in corporates, they get a different environment feeling. They can compare themselves with somebody also at a time. Ki yes, क्योंकि internal rating, external rating होती है. But freelancers के लिए कई बार बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है कि उनको ये पता भी नहीं लगता है कि मेरी दिशा में कौन मेरे साथ दौड़ रहा है, क्योंकि वो बेचारा कई बार अकेला दौड़ रहा होता है.
बिल्कुल.
He knows that he is very best. बट कहते हैं ना, वो एक सेंस ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन तब होता है जब आपके पीछे कोई हारा हो. मैं हर बार दौड़ रहा हूं तो मैं हर बार जीत रहा हूं क्योंकि मेरे पीछे कोई नहीं था.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
मैं ऐसे भी देख सकता हूं कि मैं हर बार दौड़ रहा हूं, मैं हार जाऊं क्योंकि मेरे आगे कोई नहीं था.
बिल्कुल.
तो फॉर freelancers again, it is a very good, specifically those who are in a vintage of, you say, 2 to 7, 8 years, because they will get a very good perspective, like-minded people from the industry.
And I started my journey as a freelancer in 2009. I still consider myself to be a freelancer. I love training, but I'm building an organization with support of people like Dilip and so many others like you. I'm so blessed to have wonderful people support me in this mission to build one of the world's most exciting training companies. And I think we want to take some very exciting initiatives. And I really urge the freelancers not to work alone.
So I see,
I have done that for 10
I see a few
years.
of good people, those who have completely, most of the time worked with you, not here today. I would like to know about, what do you say, Juhi.
Yes.
I'm not seeing her today because she does lot of initiative. कई बारी मैंने उसका Facebook live देखा है. Where you two all were together. Niharika was also there sometimes.
Yes, there is Niharika, there is
was there, because कुछ जो मैं छूट जाता है आजकल सारा नहीं देख पाता हूँ.
There is Parul Tripathi.
Parul, yeah.
And each of them are handling different projects. We have so many verticals in HSSC.
Okay.
So Joey is handling the HR conclaves and corporate relations for training. Dilip, of course, is an overall mentor plus the champion for our e-learning platform and courses. Parul takes care of our certified communicator program, high impact communicator certification. Also helps us with selling the Reiki courses.
So
Niharika is our psychometric assessment expert.
Okay, yeah, I had seen her one piece of work 1.5 years back. I do remember. So what I see here is Hariharan School of Success Education में, तो यहाँ पे schools में आपने अलग-अलग masters को अलग-अलग subject classroom दे दिया. It means what I say, right?
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. और वो एक मेरा dream रहा है.
Right.
मैं corporate world को इसीलिए छोड़ा क्योंकि मैं इस तरीके का एक कंपनी बनाना चाहता था. जहाँ पर लोग साथ में आए अपने, और कोई रोक नहीं है. आप 100 प्रोजेक्ट लेकर आइए, हम 100 प्रोजेक्ट इनिशिएट कर सकते हैं.
So it is good also at a time. You know why? Because what happens, for an example, I get an independence of executing my own ideas at a time.
Absolutely.
Means you can say what I see here is like, for example, you said Amit, Niharika, all project leaders, they can be, certain projects are led by them. Am I right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay. Okay. So this is one fantastic what I could know. Any upcoming projects? क्योंकि
lot of work is,
मैं तो होस्ट और दर्शक दोनों की तरफ बैठा हूं, तो कुछ ज्यादा का तो हैबिट होता है कस्टमर को, है ना, जैसे बर्गर के साथ 2 एक्स्ट्रा सॉस ही ले लेना है, लेकिन लेना तो है कुछ ना कुछ.
बिल्कुल, lot of work is happening in terms of building this company into a very strong platform for people.
Right.
We are coming up with a learning champion certification, or we can
Okay.
even call that a skill master certification. Maybe we have to
Okay.
give it the exact name, but we are going to certify trainers on 50 to 60 different soft skills and behavioral programs.
Right.
So we will train them on various modules, how to launch. We recently launched a very interesting energy assessment program called as KEYS, Know Your Energy Wiring System.
Okay.
We have done a couple of HR conclaves which Jui has been spearheading.
Okay.
We are coming up with this. So we wanted to do an initiative for L&D. So we came up with the training championship. We are also coming up with a very unique coaching program. We have a mentoring certification. So there's lots happening. I mean, I need so many hands.
Because during
yes.
the last lockdown, even I had an opportunity to be in a session where I learned from you and Dilip sir. That was that the
Entertainer
certification. Yeah, that was something very fantastic what I could do. And really, even I say, because आज मैं admit करना चाहूँगा कि कई बार हमें लगता है कि online training में हम कितनी देर लोगों को engage कर पाएंगे. I do remember on those days 8-8 घंटा continuously बैठ जाना अपने आप में बहुत टफ लगता था कि कैसे, क्योंकि आप घर पे ही बहुत दिनों से रह रहे होते हैं. But still I could not feel कि that was मतलब almost 8 hours we have spent, और लास्ट में तो ऐसा लगा जैसे कि इनडायरेक्टली कहा जा रहा हो कि अब जाओ. बिकॉज मन नहीं कर रहा था, वो एक कनेक्ट बॉन्डिंग हो गया था, डिस्पाइट मतलब वर्चुअल क्लास हो रहा था, बट वी नेवर फेल्ट दैट. सो यस, आई बिलीव कि एवरी इंडिविजुअल दे हैज गॉट सम ऑफ द अदर करिश्मा व्हिच दे कैन रियली मेक. सो आई विश बोथ ऑफ यू रियली बेस्ट ऑफ लक. फैंटास्टिक इनिशिएटिव इन फैक्ट, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा टफ टाइम है, थोड़ा एक ईज मिलेगा जहां कुछ करके अपने आप को टेस्ट करके एक बड़ा सेटिस्फेक्शन होता है. मुझे कोई शाबाशी दे ना दे, बट मैं दौड़ में जब दौड़ता हूँ औरों से 2 से भी आगे होता हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि हाँ कुछ तो है, और जो नहीं है वो हासिल करना है. क्योंकि अगर मुझे ज्ञान ही नहीं होगा, है ना, अपने अभिमान का, तो मैं करूंगा क्या. अगर अभिमान है तो आइए उसका मान कीजिए, भिड़िए दंगल में. बहुत बढ़िया सर, बहुत बेहतरीन.
साहब इसमें मैं ये समझता हूँ, और जो हमारा थॉट था इसमें कि 1, you have knowledge, put it to use, display it in the right forum. 2, you gain knowledge from equals. And 3, you do what you like to do. These are the 3 things you definitely get as a participant.
Perfect.
I think, and that's a great winning for every participant.
Absolutely.
This statement of yours reminds me what John said to Neo in Matrix, है ना, don't just know you are there, right? Be there. So really वो, क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि मैं शायद ऐसा हूं, बट जब आप अपने आप को उस लिटमस टेस्ट में डालते हैं, लोगों के साथ ढालते हैं, देखते हैं, तब आपको भी कई बार, जैसे आपने कहा कि ऐसा होता है कि आपको शायद नहीं था कि पता नहीं, बट यू गॉट द बेस्ट, तो आपको भी लगता है ये हुनर को मैंने खुद भी कई बार, बहुत लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता है कि दे आर गुड, है ना, जैसे बारात में होता है कि एक को पकड़ पकड़ के ले जाओ डांस करने के लिए, बाद में सबसे बेहतर वही कर रहा है, फिर हमें लगता है कि बेकार में हमें थकाया, तू ही पहले नाच लेता. तो दिस इज गुड, बिकॉज व्हेन यू कम इनटू अ एनवायरनमेंट, तो you get opportunity to showcase your talent, and that too in an open market, है ना. So एक बड़े डोमेन में जब आप आते हैं, you get recognized, people see you because they also come from different domain. So I wish both of you best of luck for this wonderful program.
Thank you.
It's really very unique. In fact, बहुत अच्छी excitement, and the best part what I saw is कि ultimately the end objective also of that is a personal and professional both learning which the participant will get. Even the grandmaster who's your winner, the facilitator champ, because ultimately the worth of XYZ rupees 10,000, you said, what I remember, am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, so he will be getting course. How many models?
So we will work that out. We will work that out.
Okay.
So at least two.
At least 2 good models, yes. He'll get, what I understand.
Absolutely.
So learning from all those 39 participants probably, or at least from what do you say, 10 in your group, 9 in your group, and 3-4 other people whom you will be encountered with, in fact I can say, क्योंकि पहले वाले में तो आपको पता नहीं लगेगा, बट वहां तो एक अच्छा स्ट्रगल होगा, because what you presented, what they presented. So this is absolutely really wonderful. My best wishes to both of you.
Thank you, Diwakar.
it's really very interesting to know this entire detail. Matlab, I'm lucky that I was the first person to ask the question when you made the first post, and I was the only one who got this opportunity to talk to you. Wow, wow.
Thank you. Thank
ये तो
you.
बहुत अच्छी बात है.
You are,
Thank
you
you.
are, you are very much a part of our family, Diwakar, and thank
Yeah,
you so
I
much.
know I'm not able to contribute much time, but yes, I see this journey going on very good. I'm really very happy कि बहुत लोग इस कारवां में जुड़ रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा काम कई लोग कर रहे हैं, है
Thank
ना?
you so much.
Right. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you
Best
so
of
much.
my best wishes to both of you.